welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a lot of contact lenses that I got from a brand called Unicoeye. I already did a review of some of their lenses, but before I tried on more natural colors, and now I want to try something slightly different, more cosplay Halloweenish. Before I start trying on the contacts, I want to show you the lens cases they sent me, because they are probably my favorite ones and I have a ton. They have this bottle here to keep the contact solution, and they have tweezers and everything you need, and then the lens cases. These are the first contacts I want to show you. These are called Gleam Violet, and this is how they look like. A little trick: if you put on your contacts after makeup, if you start crying, just take toilet paper and absorb the tears. Then you can give this to Mason Berger so he can make a cocktail. So this Gleam Violet, they came in this beautiful box, which is very Halloweenish, although the contacts are not so unnatural. I think you could wear them on a daily basis. And this is of course my real eye, so you can see the difference. They are really beautiful, but they are very subtle. I expected them to be a little bit more out there, but these are the perfect contacts to go out and fool people into thinking you actually have purpley eyes. These contacts are supposed to blend with your natural eye color and just add a little bit of something different. I personally like them a lot. I find them very comfortable, and if you look closely into my eyes, you cannot really see where the contact ends and my eye starts. Before I forget, you can use my discount code Vesmedinia to get anything from them and get 25% off. Their contacts are already affordable, but 25% is a lot of money. I'm gonna go straight to the weirdest thing I got, because I can't wait to try them on, although I'm afraid because I know I'm not gonna see anything with them. I finally got myself a pair of white contacts. They are super opaque, so I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to see anything with them, but I can't wait to see how I look like with pure white eyes. Okay, so this is how it looks like with just one on. I'm gonna zoom in now so you can see it up close, because I want to be able to do it when I have both on. I really adore the effect. It looks like I'm blind, and I am blind right now because I cannot see absolutely anything from this one. If I cover my eye, everything I see right now is just white. Do you want to hear something funny? My camera stopped filming and I have to put on the white contacts again and see absolutely nothing again. It's actually not that bad. Okay, so here's me again with one white contact. I actually adore this look. It's super creepy. You know, I wish my makeup was a little bit more extreme, but I knew I was gonna cry during this. So since I didn't want to make a mess all over my face and have to redo my makeup, I went with something kind of... I obviously cannot see anything again, so if my camera stops recording, there's nothing I can do, but here they are. I liked it a lot when I had just one on, but I cannot really see myself now. Am I cute now that I'm dead? I wish they were a little bit less opaque so they would blend with my eyes and look like, you know, dead people's eyes. But they still look really good. I think it's an amazing effect for Halloween or for cosplay videos, you know, TikToks, all that fun. Next I'm gonna try some contacts that have a slightly bigger diameter. I think they're more suitable for my eyes because I have slightly bigger eyes. I couldn't find a link for these ones right now, so I don't remember the exact name, but I will leave the links to all the contacts in the description box, and I will write the names on screen. These are green and have a darker ring outside. They're slightly bigger, so they're great for cosplay and all that. Let's try them on and see how they look like on me. This is the contact, this is my eye. This is how they look like next to each other. So you can more or less understand what's going to do to your eye color. Of course, bear in mind that since they're not opaque, they're going to look radically different depending on your natural eye color. But can you see that they're a little bit bigger? Now I'm wearing both. I love them. I adore bigger contacts. I don't cosplay, but just for regular looks, they are really nice. They make you look sweeter or more angelic. Not sure if that's easy with all this black makeup anyway. Anyway, so far they're very comfortable. I was so surprised that they were so comfortable. I cannot feel them at all, but they say they're 38% water. It's not a super high amount. It's more or less the regular amount of water, but they are very comfortable. So if you're looking for something to wear on a daily basis, I think this would be a great choice because they look really nice. Next, I got the exact same contacts but in gray. I remember there were two types of gray, and this one was the one with the very weird name color. It says graphite on the box, but I will write down the exact color. Looks amazing. I really like this color. I think these are my favorites of the ones I tried so far. I also like the first one a lot because violet is my all-time favorite eye color. But these look super natural and it's a great effect. I love them. Okay, so these are my new favorite contacts. Let's put on the other one. I think I've just found my favorite gray contacts. They look very natural. They definitely enlarge your eyes, but they are super comfortable. And I really cannot feel like I'm wearing anything. I'm gonna get closer so you can see the effect a little better, but they're really great. They look awesome in real life. What do you think? Do you like them? I'm in love with them. I can't wait to take photos with these because I think they're super flattering and they are very comfortable. The good thing about these not being so different from my eye color is that I think I could wear them and it would take people a little bit of time to notice that I'm wearing contact lenses because they look very natural. You cannot really tell where the eye ends and the contact starts. Again, with all these contacts that look so good and so natural, the problem is that they will look different depending on your eye color, so bear that in mind. I know I say this a lot, but if you have a different eye color, it's going to look completely different. Maybe even better, but definitely different. And finally, we have the last pair of contacts. These are called Fantasy Lavender Grey, and as their name implies, they're grey and lavender. It's the first time I see a contact like this in real life. It's a very original design. So let's see how this looks like on. You know, these contacts look so similar to my real eyes that I totally forgot I was wearing them and I almost put this on top of the other one. The difference is really subtle in my eyes, but you can still tell that I'm wearing something different. Here's the contact and this is my eye. By the way, all these contacts will last for a year after you open them, but I recommend using them for up to 10 months to be sure, especially if you use them a lot. So, since they're very affordable, I think it's better to just throw them out when you have used them for 10 months, especially if you use them very often. So, here's how I look like with them on. I think they look more gray than violet, although both colors are present in the contact. But that's probably because my natural eyes are blue, gray. Maybe if you have brown eyes, the purple will stand out more. I just changed the light a little bit because I wasn't sure if you could see the eye color properly. So, here I am again. I know it's a subtle change, but I really like this color. It isn't super crazy, but of course it's very special because it combines two different colors. I don't think I have any contacts like this, so when I first saw them on the website I knew I had to have them. I thought it would be interesting to see how the purple contacts look like next to each other, so here you have a side-by-side comparison of Fantasy Lavender and Gleam Violet. You can see that even though they're both violet, they look radically different. Now that you've seen all the contacts, which ones did you like the most? I'm not sure if I like these, the grey ones and the first purple ones I tried on. I used the first purple contacts that I tried on today for a photo shoot and I love how they look like on. The white ones were really cute, but I couldn't see a thing with them. In any case, I really like all the contacts. This is the second package I get from Unicoeye. I will leave the link to my other try-on haul with them in the description box so you can check it out if you want to. And so far I'm super happy with everything they've sent me. The prices are really affordable, the colors are awesome, and they also have discounts all the time, so if you want to get something from them, again, don't forget to use my discount code Vesmedinia to get 25% off. So that was all for this video, but before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!